Okay, how are you my friends? I just want to make a tutorial with this kind of burner set, chamber with burner. So I'm trying to make this tutorial in English language because I have reviewed my analytics with audience. I have seen that I have viewers from India with 2.9%, in Indonesia with 1.7%, Uzbekistan with 1.3%, and United States with 0.8%. So thank you my friends for visiting my channel and viewing, and I hope you have subscribed and hit the notification bell and put in all functions so you can be updated whenever I have new uploads. And I have seen also that it has a subtitle of Italian language, so I hope there are Italians also who are watching my videos. So this is the one with the no welding burner. This is the one we call burner, and some others call it nozzle. So this is a 1-inch measurement, and this one is 4 inches diameter. So let's measure this chamber. This one is we call chamber. This is the height of this chamber is 4 inches. It's blurry. So this is 4 inches, and also in centimeter it is 10 centimeter. It is curved, so it has been reduced with its size. Now it has only about 9.5 centimeter in height. Because of the curve, I curved this with 4 times cut. First cut bend, second cut bend, third cut bend, and fourth cut bend. So I arrive with this result. So it's almost get flat with the top. So this is the way I make my chamber. And then let's go to our nozzle, and also we call it burner. So the height of my burner is 8 centimeter. So I needed only these parts, the coupling reducer from 1 inch to 1/2. I'm making 1/2 with this base thread, so air cannot pull back whenever the supply goes in. It will never easily be pulled back because of this reduced size. And this one is the nipple with 2 inches in length and 1 inch diameter, and the cap with 1 inch end cap. So let's go to the holes and their distances. So I made the hole with the so-called oil destructor on. I only use 2 mm size drill bits, 4 oil destructor. So what's the distance from the base? It is 1.5 centimeter from the base. It's blurry. So here it measures 1.5 from the base, and it is 2 mm size drill bit. I only use 4 holes. Then the next, at the top of it, where after this curve I made 4 holes alternate with the oil distractor. So the measurement from the base is 2 centimeter. Measurement is 2 centimeter. I made 4 holes, 2 mm size drill bit. So this hole is slanted a little bit, but not so full, no, not fully slanted, so air won't be so strong to push upward. And I just put it like this. Wait a minute, I will just take a drill bit so I can demonstrate it. So here is the 2 mm drill bit. This is the direction of the second layer, and the direction of the oil distractor is downward like this. See it? This one. So from the second layer to this hole, we call it second layer. From the second layer of holes, I measured 2 centimeter. So I made 4 2 mm size drill bits aligned with this one, with the oil distractor, which is pointed downward. They are aligned. The 4 holes are aligned with the oil distractor, those one. And then at the third layer, 2 centimeter from the third layer holes, I measured 2 centimeter. So I made 8 holes straight holes from 1.5 mm size. So that one, they are all straight 8 holes. They all are alternated with the other holes. They are not aligned with the lower holes. Nothing is aligned with the lower holes. See? Oh, not aligned with the lower holes. So alternated with this hole, that one, and this hole also alternated. So they are alternated. Let's pretend there is a mark here. So it is alternated here. Oh. So these are only 4 holes. Then at the top, 1.5 mm slanted that way. So we only have 5 layers of holes from bottom to top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The oil distractor slant a little bit upward, 4 holes, then straight 4 holes. They are aligned with the oil distractor, what we call oil distractor. The next layer alternated with the holes below them, 8 holes, 1.5 mm. Then so from this layer to the top layer, it must be alternated, 8 holes. So okay, I hope you understand my tutorial, and I made this tutorial so others from other parts of the world can understand clearly what I am talking about. So be sure to be subscribed in my channel so you can help me reach my goal to earn funds for my future spine fracture operation. So again, thank you very much for being here in my channel, and I hope to see you again next time. And thank you and have a good day. So be sure to be subscribed and hit the notification bell so you will be updated with my next uploads. So here is the no welding burner, or we call it nozzle. So 1 inch, 1/2 the base connection at one. So this is the one I have put there in the screen. So I hope you can make this as simple as I made it. So this is a very simple nozzle, and also we call it burner, but it has a very blue flame, and I hope you can try this one too.